solving non-homogeneous equations. So 6d square y by dx square plus 17 dy by dx plus 12y is equal to e to the power of minus x. Let take d by dx equal to what? Capital D in this above problem. So in the place of d by dx you have to put what? Capital D. So we'll get what? 6d square plus 17d plus 12, and I'm taking y as a common, is equal to e to the power of minus x. While solving this problem, we have to convert this equation is in the form of a homogeneous equation. That means what? I have to take the RHS side as what? 0. 6d square plus 17d plus 12 into y is equal to what? 0. Next, write down the auxiliary equation, that is AE. 6d square plus 17d plus 12 is equal to 0, and replace d by m in this. So we'll get 6m square plus 17m plus 12 equal to 0. Solve this equation. If the degree is 2 means 2 roots I'll get. So we'll get m equal to minus 4 by 3 and minus 3 by 2. After finding the roots, write the complementary function. Therefore CF means complementary function equal to 2 roots means 2 constant we have to write, and the roots are real and different. So C1 e to the power of minus 4 by 3x plus C2 e to the power of minus 3 by 2x. So this is the complementary function we get. Similarly, we have to find the particular integral for this one. So therefore particular integral equal to what? Pi of x by f of d. What is the pi of x value here in this problem? So pi of x is what? E to the power of minus x. So here they have given this is the pi of x value, RHS side value. So pi of x is what? E to the power of minus x divided by f of d is 6d square plus 17d plus 12. So next we have to replace d by whatever the quotient of x, that is what? Minus 1. So e to the power of minus x divided by 6 into, in the place of d, minus 1 square plus 17 into minus 1 plus 12. If you solve this one, e to the power of minus x divided by this one is 6 plus into minus is minus 17 plus 12, 12 plus 2 is 18, minus 17 is 1. Therefore we will get the particular integral as what? E to the power of minus x itself. So last one we have to write the complete solution, or also called as a general solution. Therefore y equal to what? CF plus pi. Therefore y equal to CF is what? C1 e to the power of minus 4 by 3x plus C2 e to the power of minus 3 by 2x plus pi is e to the power of minus x. This is the required answer. Similarly, we are going to solve the next problem, that is for d square y by dx square minus 4y equal to cos equal to x minus 1 plus 3 to power. Same as it is again, take in the place of d by dx equal to what? Capital D. We will get then d square minus 4 into y equal to these all the values cos hyperbolic of 2x minus 1 plus 3 to the power of x. Next convert this in the form of homogeneous, means d square minus 4 into y is equal to 0. Then write down the auxiliary equation AE. D square minus 4 equal to 0. Replace d by m. So m square minus 4 can I write as 2 square equal to 0. Now it is in the form of what? A square minus b square, that nothing but what? M plus 2 into m minus 2 is equal to 0. From this one we'll get m equal to what? Minus 2 and 2. So decrease 2 means 2 roots I got. Therefore the complementary function equal to, the roots are real and different. So if it is a real root means we have to write the answer is in the form of exponential. 2 roots means 2 constant I have to write. So c1 e to the power of minus 2x plus c2 e to the power of 2x. This complementary function. Similarly, next we have to find the particular integral, that is what? Pi is equal to cos hyperbolic of 2x minus 1 plus 3 to the power of x divided by what? F of t, no, d square minus 4. So formula how we are using, we know that in the last one we got pi of x by f of t. Pi of x means cos equal to x minus 1 plus 3 to the power of x divided by d square minus 4. So cos hyperbolic means what? 1 by 2 e to the power of 2x minus 1 plus e to the power of minus of 2x minus 1 by 2, no, that one I have taken outside, plus 3 to the power of x, and separately you divided by this function, that is what? D square minus 4 divided by d square minus 4. Again I am applying here a plus b by c form, a by c and b by c. So we can write this one as what? Half into e to the power of 2x minus 1 divided by d square minus 4 plus e to the power of minus of 2x minus 1 divided by what? D square minus 4 plus 3 to the power of x I am writing as what? E to the power of log of 3 into x divided by what? D square minus 4. So I get this one. Earlier video I have given that one, e to the power of x means what? E to the power of log of a into x. Similarly, next I am taking this function as 1 by 2, this equation as p1, this term, p2 as this term, plus p3, that last term, these terms. Okay, so now separately find the p1, p2, p3. So p1 equal to e to the power of 2x minus 1 by d square minus 4 is there. So it is a exponential functions. So what I am going to replace here? Replace d by quotient of x, that is what? 2. If I put that one, e to the power of 2x minus 1 divided by what I'll get here? 2 square is what? 4. 4 minus 4 is what? 0. I said if we get the denominator as 0, we have to multiply x in the numerator and differentiate the denominator, means this one. D square differentiation is what? 2d. Again same thing, replace d by what? 2 in this, because the quotient of x is 2. So what you get the answer? p1 equal to what? X into e to the power of 2x minus 1 by 2 into 2 is what? 4. This one is what? p1. Similarly, we move on to what? p2. p2 is equal to what? E to the power of minus of 2x minus 1 divided by what? D square minus 4. What I am going to replace in this equation? D by what? X quotient 2 and outside minus sign is there, minus 2 you have to going to replace. This one you have to substitute in the denominator. Minus 2 square is nothing but what? 4. 4 minus 4 is what? 0. Again we will get an infinity. That time what you have to do? Multiply x is in the numerator and differentiate the denominator. D square is what? 2d. Again I am going to replace d by what? Quotient of x, that is what? Minus 2. So we will get what? X into e to the power of minus of 2x minus 1 divided by 2 into minus 2 is what? Minus 4. That minus and I am writing in the numerator 4. So this is a p2. Next, last one, that is nothing but what? This one, that is p3 is equal to what? E to the power of log of 3 into x divided by what? D square minus 4. What I am going to replace in this? Replace d by what? Log of 3, because x quotient is log 3. Therefore p3 equal to e to the power of log of 3 into x divided by log of 3 the whole square minus 4. So these are all this p1, p2, p3 you have to substitute in this equation. Can I take this as equation 1? Therefore we'll get the answer p equal to 1 by 2 times of what is p1 I got? That is what? X e to the power of 2x minus 1 by 4, and this one minus into plus is what? Minus x e to the power of minus of 2x minus 1 by 4 plus again this one, no, e to the power of log of 3 x divided by log of 3 the whole square minus 4 See, in this, no, can I take x by 4 as a common, and 2 I am taking inside. So what I'll get then? P is equal to, I'll take x by 4 outside, and what is remaining? E to the power of 2x minus 1 minus e to the power of minus 2x minus 1 by this 2 I'm taking inside. So what I'll get, that one as 2 plus, and in the problem they have given e to the power of 3 as what? 3 to the power of x divided by log of 3 the whole square minus 4. This is nothing but sine hyperbolic formula, correct or not? This is nothing but what? Sine hyperbolic formula. X by 4, can I write this one as sine hyperbolic of 2x minus 1 plus 3 to the power of x divided by log of 3 the whole square minus 4. This is the particular integral. So last, the general solution or complete solution you tried as y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Therefore y is equal to what? C1 e to the power of minus 2x plus C2 e to the power of 2x, and this one particular integral x by 4 sine hyperbolic of 2x minus 1 plus 3 to the power of x divided by log of 3 the whole square minus 4. This is the required answer. Similarly, we're going to solve the third problem. Already I solved this one because of a time being. So x triple dash of t minus 8x of t equal to 1 minus e to the power of t the whole square. You remember, x means it is a dependent variable, as a y, that one I have taken outside. So triple dash is there, that's why I'm taking d cube minus 8, and x is outside, and t is the independent variable. You have to remember, when you write the complementary function answer, the answer is in the form of function of t, not x, because now in this problem independent variable is what? T. So already I solved d cube minus 8 into x equal to a minus b the whole square. You expand a square plus b square means what? E to the power of t the whole square is nothing but e to the power of 2t minus 2ab, 2 into 1 into e to the power of t is what? E to the power of t. Next, I converted this in the form of homogeneous and then auxiliary equation by replacing d by m. So now I wrote this one as m cube minus 8 as 2 cube. So no need to solve that one, directly you can apply the a cube minus b cube formula, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square equal to 0. So solving this one, I'll get m equal to 2, and 1 or 2 more is what? Minus 1 plus minus root 3i. So degree 3 means 3 roots I want, so 1 is 2 and remaining 2 are minus 1 plus root 3i, 1 is minus 1 minus root 3i. So what are the complementary function I'm going to write? 3 roots means 3 constants, c1, c2, c3. So c1, this is the real root, means in the form of exponential. E to the power of what you're going to write? 2t, remember, because t is the independent variable, plus this is a complex root, so c2, c3 I have to write, but this part is a real part, so e to the power of minus t I am writing, remaining I'll write as c2 cos of root 3t plus c3 sine of root 3t. And similarly I have written here, so particular integral means what? Pi of x by f of d. Pi of x is, we know that is a 1 plus e to the power of 2t minus 2 into e to the power of t divided by f of t is d cube minus 8. So separately I wrote that one, 1 divided by this, 1 can we write as e to the power of 0t, that is nothing but 1 only, divided by d cube minus 8. Similarly second term divided by this one, third term divided by this one. So here in the first one I'm going to replace d by what? Quotient of t is what? 0. So 0 I'm replacing, so what I got the answer? So e to the power of 0 means 1, and here I got the answer. If I substitute in the place of 0, minus 8 I'll get, so minus I'm writing in the numerator, plus similarly what I'm going to replace in the second one? So quotient of t is what? 2. If you replace 2 here, what do you get the answer? 0. So e to the power of 2t by 0 I'll get. So e to if it is the denominator is 0 means what you have to do then? So we have to multiply t in the numerator, I said no in the last problem. So e to the power of 2t and differentiate the denominator. What is the differentiation of d cube? That is 3t square. Now again you replace d by what? 2. So what do you get now? Answer is what? T into e to the power of 2t divided by 2 square is what? 4. 4 3 is 12. This is the second one answer. This one steps, remember. And similarly, so this one answer is what? Minus this one, sorry, to e to the power of t. What you're going to replace in this? D by what again? Quotient of 1. The quotient of t is what? 1. So 1 cube is 1. 1 minus 8 is what? Minus 7. So in general I'll write particular integral equal to what? This one is what? First one minus 1 by 8. Second one is what? Plus t into e to the power of 2t by 12. And third one minus into minus is what? Plus 2 e to the power of t by 7. This particular integral. And write the general solution as what? Y equal to cf plus I. You write down this answer here. Thank you.